going to unbox the handbag from Kate Spade that I got from a Black Friday deal. So guys, stay tuned and don't go anywhere. So this is what I love about the end of the year. So much discount, so much stuff to buy, and honestly, I have been like putting stuff together since like the beginning of the year, or like anytime I saw something like really nice and I want, I saved them on the list. And then I told myself that I'm gonna get this for discount during the holidays deals like Black Fridays. So this is Kate Spade handbag. I've never had like the handbag like the bigger one. Usually I have this sling bag which is like enough for like a phone, like my mobile phone, and also my tiny like this one, my purse. But I would like to have something like bigger that I can just like put on my shoulder. It's like shoulder bag, and then like I can put like water of bottle and without carrying some other extra bags or tote bags. So hence I got this one, I purchased this one. So let's just unboxing without further ado. Oh my gosh, so this is like the best time of the year. I really love it. Of course, because of all the discount, and like I can channel my shopping instinct. All right, so here's the Kate Spade stuff. Yeah, thank you for shopping with us. And look at this beauty. Ta-da! Can you see that? What is this? And nice bag, but I don't see the, what do you call it, dust bag. But this is like very cheap. I can, understand if they didn't include that one. But however, let's just check it out. I'm not sure what is this. Let's just check this out first. Nothing. Oh my god, nothing. How dare I? So what's this for? Just like, all right, nothing here. Let's just go straight to the bag. This is the bag. Too bad that it doesn't come with the dust bag, because I really love the dust bag, the pink one. And it keeps the bag safe though. Alright, so that's it. Oh, there's more layers here. Uh-oh. You know what, guys? First look, I am already in love with this handbag. Why? Because when I checked online, I thought this would be like a little bigger. To my surprise, this is like very nice size. You see, I can fit like this water bottle, because this is like bucket style, if you can see. Fit the water bottle. I'll try to put the water bottle later. Let's check about this bag first, like the details, before I'll try to put things what can fit in this bag. So this Duffel Crossbody bag is made of pebble leather, which I really like pebble leather, because it's not like very smooth and shiny. I don't really like that kind of leather or material. I like this one. It's like, yeah, pebble, like grainy, not very shiny. That's my favorite kind of leather. When I purchased this bag, the price was only $79 US for the Black Friday deals. Of course, like I thought, why not? I would love to have this kind of bag. It would fit my style better. The original price was $359 US, and for the Black Friday deal, it was $79 US. I was like, wow, why not? This is like so amazing, exactly like what I needed. When I purchased this bag, there were 3 colors available on the website. This black, and then the yellow one, and the other one was mist green. I wanted this black one. This Max Duffer Crossbody. It is 8 inches in height, this one, and it is 8.5 inches in width at the bottom and 4 inches and 88 this diameter here. This is quite large, like you can see here on the top. This is like tiny, but actually at the bottom it is like very large, so it can fit like a drinking bottle and some other stuff. The logo, this one, the Kate Spade, this is a foil embossed logo. The lining inside is 2 ways. Can you see? Yeah, the zip, that's what I love about this. I don't like the bag, like or tote bag or any bags without the zip, because I can be very clumsy. Like I have this anxiety when I don't have this zip like this one. This is like another thing I love from this bag. And there's also a little pocket here. Can you see the pocket here? This is the pocket. And if you don't want to bring your purse or wallet, you can just put your card or cash here. Very practical, right? The handle drop. This is like 11.5 inches for shoulder. For the crossbody, it is 19.5 inches. So apparently I can make this like a crossbody, which I still don't know how. I need to figure this out, right? Like, what does it mean? If I can wear this as the crossbody as well, that will be like the extra point for this handbag. I really love this handbag because I think I can put like everything I need in here without the bulk. I will show you how I wear this when I go out later. I think you love it. I love it already. This handbag will be one of my favorites from Kate Spade. I think I love all the bags I got from Kate Spade actually. I'm gonna show you what fits in this handbag. So guys, these are the usual stuff that I put in my bag when I go out, because you know, you can never be too prepared. Like this water bottle or cup of coffee that I always have when I go out, because why not? It's time to enjoy myself. And I have this purse. Like, I love this folding purse, not too big and enough. And this one is my headset, Bluetooth, and my lipstick. I love this one, like it's always in my bag. And this chocolate bar always in my bag, because you'll never know. I'll never know when I got lost somewhere. And this extra mask and these sunglasses that will protect my eyes, but usually I always wear them. Yeah, all fit in one bag. So I think I'm so ready to go out now and wear this bag. It fits everything I need inside. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video has been very useful to you, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye! So guys, I found out accidentally how to change this bag from shoulder bag into sling bag. So you just unpick this button here, like this. And then you make it like this. Like, what do you call this? I don't even remember the word for that. Like, see, now it is like longer. And then you pick this together like this. And it is longer now. And there you go, your sling bag is ready.